Jain friends, today we are very fortunate to have with us Mrs. Jyoti Khanduri, who has recently cracked her SSB and joining OTA tomorrow. Mrs. Jyoti Khanduri is wife of a martyr, Nayak Deepak of Van Mahar, who attained martyrdom in the valley while serving with Van RR in 2018. After that, after the death of her husband, she had the burden of the full family. That time she had two small children. She took on that, and alongside, she had in her mind that I wish to fulfill my husband's dream, because he always wanted her to don the uniform of the army in which he had served with so much grit and courage. So Jyoti took the challenge and started preparing for SSB, and we were fortunate that she came to us for some time for the SSB training, which we mentored her, and after that she worked very hard on the point which you were told, and finally on 9th August 2020 she was able to crack the SSB, and now she's all prepared, all set to join the academy. It's a matter of pride for AMAS, not only AMAS but for the Maha Regiment also, in which her husband had served, and the regiment which supported Jyoti all along her preparation for SSB. So without taking any further time of the viewers, I would like to go over to Jyoti. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have finally, with your hard work and courage, cracked the SSB and now all set to join. You are inspiration, going to be inspiration for a lot of Veer Naris who are looking at taking up a career after their husband's demise, martyrdoms. So firstly, let's go over how did you prepare, how did this thought come to your mind, कैसे आपके मन में आया कि मैं इस चैलेंज को ले सकती हूँ, फिर how did you prepare, कब स्टार्ट किया प्रिपरेशन आपने?
Actually, sir, initially it was a feeling of gratitude towards the army, because during the 40 days when my husband was hospitalized, army was not taking care of him, but they also give me a secure environment there. So after, even he also told me, because one of his regiment, Nidhi ma'am, who you taught her also, and he told me about her ki you have courage and you have capability, you should go for army in case anything happened to me.
This is what he told you when he was in the hospital?
Yes, sir. At that time I was not aware about what is that, even I was not aware about what is the SSB.
Right.
But when I came back to my home, and one of my friend Himu, she told Jyoti हम ना SSB दे सकते हैं, तू SSB दे सकती है.
Okay.
So then I searched on net. I was unable to, even after that I was unable to find out what is the
SSB?
process for the Veer Naris.
Okay, yeah.
Then I come to know about the SSB. This is a process we can join army, but for us, for our category, I didn't have any idea. So I called Colonel Devinder sir, and he made me aware about that.
Colonel Devinder that time was the CEO
Yes,
of
sir.
Van Mahar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
And then he helped me for the further process of SSB.
Okay.
And after my first SSB, Brigadier, he introduced me with the Brigadier Chima sir. And then he became my mentor, and right now I consider him as my father.
Right.
And then he sent me to you.
Okay.
And when I came here, I was totally during this time I aware about the psych and the interviewing process, because Chima sir was taught me about that.
Okay.
But I was like हमें
Stage 1 and GTO.
Yes sir, मैं कहती ना सर मैं बिल्कुल डब्बा थी GTO में. I was structure देख के समझ में नहीं आता था how to analyze the structure. But when I attend few classes here, I was sure that हाँ अब GTO मुझे ढंग से आ गया. Now after that I got a good command over GTO also. And sir.
So उसके बाद जो आपने चीमा सर से भी ट्रेनिंग ले लिया, यहाँ से भी ले लिया, how much time did you devote to your preparation? What all did you prepare after that?
Sir, actually after that, like as I am a mother of two, I didn't get that much time to devote for study. But whenever I do my household work, I just play videos and in a full voice in a speaker, and I do my household chores. So that I can hear the whatever news is going on. And at the night I make notes on that what are the important news. And sir, here AMAS also play an important role, because we daily update news on that. So I get like a cook news there, and I can make easy notes
So
from
you were
there.
using that
Yes, sir.
platform to read our news from our website.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And secondly, sir, for GK purpose, earlier I was thinking कि हाँ surface knowledge होगा तो that was more than enough. But you scolded me for that, and then I tried to go deep, and that helped me in my interview also, because the interviewing officer asked me a lot question regarding the topic which he was asking. Yes, sir, he was asking, and I was thinking कि इतना तो वो भी नहीं सोच रहे होंगे deal बनाते समय, the way he is asking the questions. And but I was fortunate that I was able to give all answer all because of you, क्योंकि जी के सर आपकी टच से पढ़ी है.
Okay. So that means after this you are focusing on everything and also on GK and current affairs.
Yes, sir.
So Jyoti, when you went to SSB, on 11 SSB, when you reached there, what was the feeling when you went this time? I know this is not your first time. This
Yes,
was the
sir.
third time, fourth time. So you are a repeater, and this time you are better prepared.
Yes,
So
sir.
what was the feeling that time?
Sir, actually, sir, like I want to utilize the COVID time period for me, because I get a time where in which I just from the March I was not stay with my children, because I want to focus only on my study.
Okay.
And that I was so confident that this time I am going to meet. Even I told you also कि
Yes,
sir इस बार
yes.
pass हो
Pass
जाऊंगी.
हो जाऊंगी, yeah.
And sir अंदर से feel आ रहा था कि this time I am going to make.
Correct. So you are very confident because
Yes,
आपकी
sir.
preparation बहुत अच्छी हुई थी.
Yes, sir.
Maybe COVID became a blessing for you,
Yes, sir.
right? Or yes. So वहाँ पे भी जब when you went to SSB, how was the interview? What did he ask you? What was the interview? How did you handle that? कुछ याद है? अभी काफी टाइम हो गया है.
Yes, sir. Sir, interviewing officer asked like mostly for the personal question, but from the current affair part, he said what you prepare for SSB. So, sir, as I was confident about myself, sir, you can ask anything to
You have
me. So,
prepared
sir, he
everything.
was so happy. Then he said, no, you can tell me whatever you want to tell. Then I told him about 5 or 7 topics. He was said no, next. So almost all the GK topics I was telling him जो current में चल रहे थे. So he was saying next. Then he picked one topic and then he asked question regarding that topic. Yes, sir.
So and how was the GTO? Since
The
you said
GTO
you were very comfortable after doing the training here, the structures. How did you tackle the structures?
Sir, my GTO was very good. Like I was totally leading the my
group.
team.
Okay.
And even in the group planning exercise earlier, when I was not went to the AMAS, I was not able to make out कि कैसे problems को उनको
Prioritize कैसे करना है?
जी सर, तो मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता था. But this after attending the classes here, I was become confident over that also. और GTO सर आपने बताया था ना, GTO जब स्ट्रक्चर को बता मीन्स जब आपको प्लान को समझा रहा है बोर्ड में जीपी में, तो उस समय मतलब जीपी को देखते ढंग से समझ लो. वहीं पर फिर जब नरेशन के लिए जब वो आपको रीड करने को देता है, प्लान बना सकते हो. तो सर लाइक विद इन द 5 मिनट माई प्लान वॉज रेडी, बिकॉज आई was so focused what he was when he was reading his story and when he was showing the map to us. Yes.
How was your lecturate?
Sir, lecturate also good. The way you taught that कि select the topic that help you to score the good marks. So I tried. Even all topics are like good for me. Like I was able to talk, but I select the topic according to you advise that which topic help us to score
So
the
you
good
could
marks.
speak for fluently for 3 minutes.
Yes, sir.
How was your command task?
Sir, command task is also good. Sir, I
You could
was.
solve it within given time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of obstacle was it? Tough or easy?
Sir, as I told you now, GTO, I was
Yeah,
comfortable.
you found it easy,
Yes,
even if it was tough.
Yes.
Okay. And how about psychology? You could complete all the stories, the pictures, and
Yes,
that
sir.
and all?
Yes, sir.
Jyoti, what lesson would you like to, what inspiration would you like to give to the Naris who are so many in number, but they at times are not able to, crack this test? I know it's a dream of so many Veer Naris that they also, don this uniform and become officers. So what would be a message to them?
Sir, here like slightly change in the question, not for the VNRs but for all the SSB
Aspirants.
students.
Yeah.
Because sir, when we went to the SSB, we only focus on the उस पार्ट में फोकस करते हैं कि मीन्स कि हमने कहाँ, मीन्स एसएसबी से आते हैं, फोकस करते हैं कि हमने कहाँ लैकिंग करी, कहाँ हम स्कोर कर सकते थे, बट वी फॉरगेट टू लर्न द लर्निंग ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस। सर 5 grade प्रोसेस में सर द time we spend there, it's actually teaches a lot if we analyze the performance of other people also कि जो recommended हुए हैं वो कैसे हुए सर, it will also help us। यस सर, एनालाइजिंग करना सर,
एनालाइज करना
यस
चाहिए
सर, अपनी
और कोई सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट में कोई फोकस
सर जो आपने सिखाया, चीमा सर ने सिखाया सर, बुक रीडिंग,
book reading.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
read
Yes,
a lot,
sir.
whether it is books also, and even GK and current affairs.
Yes,
They
sir.
should update themselves.
because sir it is personality type।
See, you already had very good communication skills. I know you have done your masters in economics also. Not all of them have, so you feel that they should also work on communication skills if they lack, should improve. Did it
Yes.
help you with SSB? Your good communication skills?
Yes sir, communication skill play a very important role because if we talk about the VNRS categories, we also mix up with the CDS category।
Yeah, SSB is with them.
Yes sir।
Yes.
So to compete with nowadays student is very difficult।
Right.
So because they having a very good command over English, even टेस्ट स्टार्ट होने से पहले जो इनिशियल टाइम होता है उनके साथ ऐसा लगता है कि मीन्स दे हैविंग अ वेरी गुड कमांड ओवर इंग्लिश, तो सर वो प्रेशर में आ जाएंगे इफ यू नॉट हैविंग। सर आई वाज फेसिंग that phase
good
also।
communication, that phase also you have faced
Yes,
earlier.
sir.
That means good communication skills will add to your confidence.
Yes sir।
Basically you want to say that, so if
Yes.
you are already having able to communicate,
Yes.
add your confidence, right? So I'm sure Jyoti, with all this point which you have given, viewers, especially the Naris who are aspiring, they will take the cue from what Jyoti, the way she has prepared, and it is, I won't say that it is easy, it is difficult, but yet one can do it if one has the will to do it.
No sir, sir, you will even the right mentor also।
Okay,
sir,
will and the right mentor.
Yes sir,
Yeah, both things are
because they
important.
both play go
Both
simultaneously,
play
yes sir।
yes.
Because before going to this SSB, like everyone, even the Sandeep sir also said me कि तू lecture rate तो अच्छा देते है, बट GD में क्या हो जाता है, आवाज क्यों नहीं निकलते थे। तो सर I work on over that also कि घर में चिल्ला चिल्ला के बहस करना शुरू कर दिया,
Right.
and
So,
it's helped me in
little
the
bit of,
GD sir, it raise my pitch also, so it helped me there। तो सर जो right mentor होंगे, अगर right आपको points देंगे तो it's
Right.
helped।
Very good.
Yes,
Very
sir।
nice. So we'll end this interaction here, Jyoti. I wish you all the best, and also on behalf of the regiment, Maha Regiment,
Yes sir, I
I'd like
am
to
also
convey
grateful
thanks to
that
you, and they have also helped you,
Yes,
and
sir।
I wish you best wishes for your training, and we wish to see you soon with 2 stars on your shoulders, and do well in your training.
Yes sir।
Right, put in all your efforts, and best wishes for your future.
Thank you sir, thank you Jai Hind sir।